So I was on YouTube here finding a video I can watch or want to watch, and I found this one. And this one is called Psycho Cousin Throws Williams Air Conditioner Off the Roof. No clue what that list is going to be about, so let's see. And unfortunately I do not have a computer to watch this on. I wish, but unfortunately I do not. Oh shit. Yeah, this thing is currently charging. Sorry about that. Wish I had a computer to watch it on, but I do not. Ugh. Got something in my nose all of a sudden. Let's see what this is gonna be about. Sorry about that.
Why? Because it says
there we go.
homework. I will break that camera.
Nice info. Whoa.
Dude, this is ridiculous. You done it. They gave us
The hell? What a start to the video. Jesus. God. What the fuck? What a start to the video. Jesus. Hope I'm in the shot.
Andy, what are you doing?
Oh no.
What are you outside for? Andy, where are you going?
Got, well, I'm gonna
Andy, what?
got a mustard stain
why
right
you got
here.
the
That's
ladder
good.
out? I got something for him. Andy,
No,
what is
fuck,
going
no.
on? I got something for him. What? You climbing up the roof is gonna get him? He's in the house. Oh, yeah, I got something for him.
The fuck?
He's in the house, Andy.
What is
What
going
are you
on,
gonna do?
dude? I don't even know.
What do you mean you have something for him?
What is this?
What?
No,
What are you
no.
doing? Andy!
What?
Andy!
I know you could take those things
outside.
out.
Andy, no! Andy!
The fuck? What is going on, dude?
Wait, no!
Wow.
Oh my word! What did you do that for? Messing up my food! Oh my gosh. Next time, think before you throw somebody's food in the pool. Maybe actually look. I thought it was my mom! It is! I thought the freaking phone was my mom! Why didn't you
Two cousins fighting on the roof
maybe
at
an
night.
apology
How
at least
nice.
would have been nice. Well, no one's giving an apology now, and you're paying for my air conditioner. I ain't paying for nothing. Get the air conditioner. I ain't paying for nothing. Where's the air conditioner?
This is my stomach, not hungry at all in case you're curious. And wow.
Alright, William, you already burned the car.
Yeah, I say that air conditioner is pretty much ruined.
This family.
Holy fuck.
You guys are gonna have to. You know what, William? You buy him a phone, Andy. You buy him an air conditioner.
I didn't know you could take those things out.
Well,
I didn't know you could take those things out of windows like that.
You did break.
Wow. Aftermath. Oh no. Of course there's more. The bug. Come on. There we go.
That phone cost me $300. No, it didn't. It did not cost you freaking $300. That was a crappy phone. Well, it cost me $300 when I bought it.
Yeah, that air conditioner thing is pretty much ruined.
Good, because I'm not paying for it. Have fun. Well, that's ridiculous. Whatever, though. Doesn't
Yeah,
matter to
sorry
me.
about that. And that's it. Wow. I honestly do not know what to say about that. I don't even know what to say about that. All I can say is cousin love. That was cousin bonding right there. Wow. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. Cousin love. Wow.